Welcome to our demonstration of the school ERP system for parents. In today's video, we will be introducing you to the school ERP system, showcasing how to log in to the student portal and explore its features such as viewing the messages, DTR, student diary, timetable and accessing exam information. So, let's get started. To access the student portal, simply visit our school's website and look for the Student Login button. Click on it, and you will be directed to the login page. Select the Parent Login option and enter your unique username and password provided by the school administration. First, you will receive an OTP to verify your identity. Once logged in, you will be directed to the student dashboard page where you can select your child. After selecting the student, you will be able to view the student dashboard. In the student portal, you will have access to various features such as sending messages to teachers, viewing the timetable, checking the student diary, viewing DTR, checking attendance, accessing exam details, and viewing exam reports, etc. To access the message feature option, simply log into your ERP system and navigate to the messaging section. Here, you will find a list of teachers or departments that you can contact. When composing a message, it's important to be clear and concise. Start by addressing the recipient and briefly explain the concern or issue you would like to raise. Provide any relevant details to help them understand the situation better. Once you have composed your message, simply click on the Send button to deliver it to the intended recipient. The message feature option ensures that your concerns are directly communicated to the teachers or departments, eliminating any potential miscommunication or delays. After sending your message, you can expect a response from the recipient within a reasonable time frame. They may provide you with further instructions, clarification, or even resolve the concern directly. Using the message feature option in an ERP system is a convenient and efficient way to raise concerns to teachers or departments. By following a few simple steps, you can communicate your concerns effectively and receive timely responses. Hello and welcome to our demonstration of the student portal features. Today, we will be showcasing the almanac, school posts, notice board, student diary, DTR, attendance, teaching notes, worksheets, timetable, exam schedule, exam results, and reports. To access the student portal, simply visit our school's website and look for the Student Login button. Click on it, and you will be directed to the login page. Enter your unique username and password provided by the school administration. Let's start with the Almanac feature, which provides important dates and events for the academic year. Next, we have School Posts, where students can stay updated on school announcements and news. The Notice Board feature allows students to view important notices and reminders. Moving on to the Student Diary, where students can keep track of their daily tasks and assignments. The DTR feature helps students monitor their daily time records and attendance. Speaking of attendance, the Attendance feature allows students to view their attendance records. The Teaching Notes feature enables students to access notes and materials shared by their teachers. The Worksheets feature provides students with additional practice materials for their lessons. The Timetable feature allows students to view their class schedule. Next, we have the Exam Schedule feature, where students can check the dates and times of their upcoming exams. The Exam Results feature allows students to view their exam grades and performance. Lastly, the Reports feature provides students with detailed reports on their academic progress. We hope this demonstration has given you a better understanding of the student portal features. Thank you for watching.